Process of installation. Unpack and lay the tray flat. Check the level of the top outer edges with spirit level. If the shower tray needs to be cut for your shower room, measure the length of the corner first. Then use pencil to mark the cutting lines on the shower tray. Drill a hole on the intersection point of two cutting lines. Use a cutting machine to cut from outer to the hole. Following the cutting line accurately. Install the plumbing pipe and bottle trap. Cover the floor with cement. Flat it with a trowel and ensuring that it is fully supported. Place the shower tray onto the cement, ensuring that it is fully supported. Pour water on the shower tray to check for water tightness. Flow and adequate drainage over the entire area. Ensure you have the correct fall for the tray. Cover the floor with cementitious adhesive. Flat it with a trowel and ensuring that it is fully supported. Place the shower tray onto the floor and ensuring that it is fully supported. Again, use the spirit level to make sure the tops of the tray are level. After all checks and adjustments, seal along the tiling line with silicone sealant. Slot the drop pipe only into the bottle trap and screw the central screw. Place the steel grid into the square recess in the center of the shower tray. Put something with 50 kilograms weight for 24 hours. Ensuring good bonding between the shower tray and the floor.